So let's look at the best Instagram courses for businesses. Okay, I'm just doing this research for myself and I thought I would share this as something I want to get started on eventually, is creating a good Instagram profile for my personal brand, Connor Martin. So Instagram is really blowing up as a way to make money and there's tons and tons of courses. So there are, of course, some free courses I found just on YouTube here you can watch, but there aren't that many free courses that I found. I found lots and lots of paid courses and I just organized them here in terms of price, right? Some of them start from as low as $6.95. $97, $147, $150. Okay, as you can see, it just gets more and more expensive here. So this Google Doc is a work in progress, right? So I'm going to go through as many of these courses as I can and learn as much as I can. And this is the best course I've taken so far. It's by two ladies called Ginny and Laura, right? So this is great for businesses because it gives you also, the business advice that you need, creating a customer avatar, that type of thing, really high level stuff. But it also goes through, the content creation, what's good, what gets you lots of clicks and likes and makes you the most money. So these two women here actually have their own Instagrams. You can search for them and they're doing really well. So you can definitely trust them. I really like the sales page here. I guess the thing about this one is it's definitely the most expensive course that I've found at almost $2,000. I do have a coupon code for $200 off, so just use Connor200, right? So if you want to get $200, if you're interested in this course, just enroll now and then you can make the payment, right, and add in the coupon code and you will get $200 off your payment. So you can see it there. All you need to do is put it in there, Connor200, and then sign up. So that's the price. That's probably the best one I've taken so far. I've taken other ones here. This one here is also very expensive. And this guy, he knows his stuff, right? I put some comments here, but it's more about buying and selling Instagram accounts. So I just encourage you to check out the one that meets your price range, right? If you really want to set up a business account, right? If you're a local business and you really want to get going on Instagram, then I would recommend this one by Ginny and Laura. But some of the other ones is more for creators and just, monetizing in different ways like affiliate marketing or create your own digital product as well. So some of them like that. I think this woman here, Maria Wendt, is very good. She knows what she's talking about. Creator Caro, he seems to have done very well as well. But again, this is more for creators. So just kind of click into the ones that you think will be the most suitable for you. So please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear how you're getting on with these Instagram courses, your Instagram marketing, because I'm definitely not an expert in this topic. So I will just keep on learning, and eventually I want to automate so that all my YouTube videos will be posted to Instagram. So if you are interested in AI marketing, AI SEO, anything like that, digital marketing with AI, subscribe to the channel. Check out some of my other videos. They're all about blogging and making videos with AI. So my name's Connor Martin. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.